Hello everyone, I'm Tim. Did you know there is a book out there that is called The Bible of Karate? I'm talking about the Bubishi. It is a collection of stories, guidelines, techniques, and medical recipes that were collected throughout the centuries. It's a true archive of martial preparations because everything that is mentioned in this book has the purpose of making you a well-prepared martial artist. It's probably the most important piece of karate literature you can find, and in fact, every karate practitioner should read this book sooner or later in their karate career. This is my personal copy. This version is a translation published by Hanshi Patrick McCarthy. McCarthy once did me the great honor of signing my copy. He wrote Onko Chishi. I encourage you to look up the meaning of this phrase. It is a phrase that's often used by people like Mr. McCarthy. When you found it, let me know and let's talk about what it means to you. Patrick McCarthy might be the most important karate historian ever. He made it his life goal to collect, complete, translate, and tell the history of our martial art. If we manage to ever restore the lost knowledge about our great art, it will largely be because of the efforts of Hanshi Patrick McCarthy, or because of those that follow in his footsteps, either directly or indirectly. Next to being a best-selling author, he is the founder and director of the International Ryukyu Karate Research Society and teaches in what's called Koryu Uchinari, roughly translated as Old School Okinawan Karate. He also came up with a great self-defense system he calls the HAPV theory, which focuses on defense against the 36 habitual acts of physical violence. And I'll make sure to leave a link to his website down below. If you ever get the chance to attend one of his trainings or seminars, don't hesitate and try to be there. I promise you, you will not be sorry. His way of teaching is practical with many two-person drills, but next to that, his stories are fantastic and often really funny too. Now, as I'm filming this, he is living in Okinawa, the birthplace of karate, and I hope he's doing well. So if you get to watch this, Hanshi, greetings from Belgium. In the description down below, there is a link to Amazon, where you can go and buy your own copy of the Bubishi. Take a look and go ahead and buy this great piece of literature. It's an excellent addition to your personal library or a great book to start one. When you get your copy, let me know which version you got and what you think of it. If you have any questions about karate or other martial arts, please feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Gilles Gourdin asks the following. I have a question. If you developed your own style of karate, is there some sort of counsel you have to pass? First of all, Gilles, thanks for your question. Generally, you are free to start whatever style you want, but without any official organization backing it up, you'll have a tough time selling it to any students. If you think your fighting system is effective and good enough to make it an official style, there are several ways to get it recognized. As usual, it's also a lot about who you know. So you do well to travel to either Japan or Okinawa, spend a lot of time and effort into proving your and your system's worth with masters over there. You should also have some sort of international presence. Find an audience for your style. If you know the right people, you might want to get your recognition from a reputable source. For example, the Dai Nippon Butokukai, which is the most important organization governing the several different Japanese martial arts. I am oversimplifying it, of course. You could ask yourself the question, why would I want to create my own style? Is it for the good of the art, or is it for my own ego? There are some great examples of people who did create their own organized branches of karate, like Patrick McCarthy, who I mentioned earlier, or Jos Robert, who created Ronin Combat. Looking at their contributions, there is a strong argument that creating a new style can be beneficial for the art. But there are many, many groups out there that just create a style to better themselves financially. So in short, do I want to contribute to the art? Is my method good enough to start a new style? Do I know the right people? And have I spent enough time and effort on it? I haven't, nor do I intend to start my own style, but if there are among you who have, please feel free to correct or add to this. And of course, like, share and subscribe. Now for now, I wish you a very great day. And as always, thanks for watching.